think the video we're looking for is the one kung saan kabataan, shout out sa mga kabataan dyan, maano ulam. Ito.
Shoutout sa mga kabataan dyan. Manong ulam. O sa mga kabataan dyan, huwag kayo puro cellphone. Galaw-galaw din.
I think that's what got everybody's buttons pressed, right? And when you look at the comment section, I did not expect to see that coming after tayo mag-binge watch ng Gabriel Go videos just last week. But basically, people are pretty mad because, well, one, it's glorifying child labor. And dapat syempre yung bata hindi naman negosyante, asan yung mga magulang niya. And these are all valid takes. Valid din yung take nung bata mismo, si Neneng B, na ang sabi niya, mga kabataan dyan, hinay-hinay lang sa cellphone. Let's do something productive. I don't think Neneng B meant to say, hindi, sige, magtrabaho kayo. No, I don't think so, man. I think yung point lang ni Neneng B dito, let's be productive, right? I mean, we're all guilty of having too much screen time. A lot of us are. So I think that's the message, and people who say otherwise are probably taking it a little too extreme. But overall, tama yung sinabi ni Mock, di ba? Lahat ng mga points na to, while all these points are valid, right? Mga point na dapat hindi gina-glorify ang child labor, kasi syempre, mali naman talaga yun. And while si Neneng B rin mismo sinasabi, trabaho wag muna mag-cellphone, let's do something right now. Let's be productive. May kulang din yung point na yun. Tama, pero may kulang. Because the overall message here is that it's tama yung sinabi ni Mock. So I'll just regurgitate what Mock said. We all live different lives and we all have different circumstances. Tama ba na nagbebenta si Neneng B imbis na yung energy niya napupunta sa mga ibang bagay na dapat na-experience ng kabataan? Yeah, sure. Hindi dapat siya nagtatrabaho, 'di ba? Dapat iba yung pagsisikap na nangyayari o ginagawa niya. Pero what are the circumstances, right? What circumstances what circumstances is Neneng B in? 'Di ba? Anong kalagayan ng environment, ng buhay niya? So it's easy for us to shout no to child labor, even though it's really wrong. Pero iba yung nangyayari. I think it's such a cop-out answer, right? It's such a cop-out answer. Palusot na sagot. Pero again, this is systemic. Di ba? This is a systemic problem. Merong batang hindi dapat nagtatrabaho, but at the same time, yung bata, force siya magtrabaho kasi kung hindi siya nagtrabaho, it could be a worse situation. So, kaysa sa pumayag yung bata na mabulok na lang at lagpasan na siya ng panahon, lipasan na siya ng panahon, nagtrabaho siya. Which, can you really blame? Can you really blame Neneng B for this? Hindi rin eh. I just wish na hindi glorified yung ganito. I wish that we knew more. Yun na lang din. Right? I wish we knew more. I wish we had access to her parents and we knew what was going on. Kasi malay natin, it's just in this footage na andyan si Neneng B. Pero yung pala, yung mga magulang niya kasi na malengke, bumibili ng supplies. We don't know. So everything is circumstantial. And I wish it wasn't like this, of course. No one wants our children to be working. It's just not a healthy environment for them. And they should be experiencing life productively in other ways. Okay, I'm not for child labor, but I think if she has another choice, she'd be better she'd be exactly, right? Like, sure, ayaw natin ng child labor, but the reason why she's there right now is, I don't know, my choice ba siya, chat? We don't know either. We can assume na wala siyang choice kaya nagtrabaho siya bigla, pero mahirap mahirap mag-judge. Ito yung mahirap right now. A lot of content on the internet is very triggering, but life is far too complex to make generalizations on a 3-minute video on 2 statements. So, may mga points pero kulang lahat ng points na nagagawa natin. Pag pinagsama-sama mo, we get to see that it's a systemic problem. Alright, let's have a takeaway. Para tapos na, let's close this. The takeaway here is that let's not be judgmental. Let's try our best to be open-minded and see that many points can be simultaneously correct, and that many points can be simultaneously valid, but while all of these are valid, it doesn't mean that each point is complete. I don't think dinidismiss niya yung mga buhay ng mga bata na may mga Okay, here's another thing that we didn't really touch upon. A lot of the comments that we read earlier said na, sorry ha, yung magulang ko kasi gusto nag-aaral ako, hindi nagtratrabaho. Sorry gusto kasi ng nanay ko at ng tatay ko, komportable yung buhay ko. I don't think dinidismiss ni Neneng B yung buhay ng mga bata na komportable ang buhay or hindi nagtratrabaho at a young age. If anything, it's again a reflection of her life, right? Na nagtatrabaho siya, and so while other kids her age are studying or nagsi-cellphone lang, she has to work. She's not necessarily negating or invalidating everybody else's lives. Okay? People took that way too far in the comment section. People said na like people began bashing her as if she's doing like as if she has a choice right there. Is it good nakakatulong siya sa pamilya niya? Sure. Is it necessary na tumutulong siya sa pamilya niya at such a young age? I don't think so. So my point, pero hindi kompleto. All of our points are valid, but none of the points are complete. I don't think ang sinasabi ni Neneng B magtrabaho lahat ng bata, right? Not at all.